Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for July 5. The local tourism product is set to receive a boost with the addition of more than 2,000 rooms. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil told Parliament Tuesday that the new stock would include 130 rooms from the Courtyard by Marriott, a development planned for Kingston.
I have already approved the incentives and they have indicated that construction will start this year.
The Fiesta Group will be adding 850 rooms. A 232-room Rio Palace is to be built in Maho Bay, Montego Bay, and the Bahia Principe is to complete construction on an additional 70 rooms in November. Other rooms will come when the former Trelawney Beach Hotel in Cooper's Pen reopens later this year. And Minister McNeil says investors have shown strong interest in the former Grand Leader Braca property in Trelawney, and discussions on this will begin soon. And still on tourism, the Portfolio Minister says a five-pronged strategy is being employed to improve efficiency at the nation's airports. The Tourism and Entertainment and National Security Ministries are joining forces to help re-engineer outgoing immigration by providing equipment to enhance the airport's border management control systems and improve the flow of traffic.
The TF, Tourism Enhancement Fund, has committed US $852,000 over a 5-year period for the introduction of this system. The Speaker, testing of the system should start by September of this year, and the new system should be in full operation by the start of the winter tourist season.
Officers formerly assigned to outgoing immigration will be redeployed to increase the number of officers available for processing incoming visitors. The airport layout and circulation pattern at Sangster International will also be redesigned to allow for greater efficiencies of passenger flows. In the meantime, the Tourism Minister says there is adequate airlift in place for the summer and fall months, which will enable the country to achieve and even surpass growth targets. The Labour and Social Security Ministry has launched an HIV in the Workplace public education campaign to sensitize employers of the need to adopt policies on HIV and AIDS. At the launch, Portfolio Minister Derek Kelly stressed that HIV/AIDS was an important workplace issue that impacted significantly on production and national development.
It is necessary, therefore, for all sectors to respond appropriately to HIV and AIDS in the workplace and put policies and programs in place.
Mr. Kelly pointed out that the ministry was leading the national response through a rights-based approach aimed at reducing HIV-related stigma and discrimination. He has given a commitment that by the end of the financial year, the country should have an Occupational Safety and Health Act that takes the issue into account. Jamaica 50 celebratory events planned for the O2 Arena in London will be balanced by a targeted program to get business for Brand Jamaica.
We plan to add business and the opportunities in Jamaica and the opportunities for trade with Jamaica as an integral part of the program. And so we will have a number of business days at the O2 Arena.
JAMPRO's president says this will include trade and investment days at the Jamaica House 2012 and specific days to host the business community from across the world. August 5, for instance, will be Business Diaspora Day, while a flag-raising ceremony is planned for August 6 at the Piazza in the Arena, where Londoners and Jamaicans in London will be invited to share in Jamaica's celebration of its Golden Jubilee. And finally, former Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives Arthur Williams Sr. is to be accorded an official funeral on Friday, July 6 at the University Chapel. Teacher Williams, as he was affectionately known, served as Parliamentary Secretary in the Ministry of Education and Member of Parliament for South Manchester, where he represented the Jamaica Labour Party. In paying tribute to the former parliamentarian, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller described Mr. Williams' passing as an end to the physical presence of a man who gave his all on behalf of Jamaica, adding that his contribution will not be forgotten, especially by those whose lives he helped to inspire. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.